Today, we will review the latest market reports for Canadian used construction equipment on Sandhill's global platforms, focusing on inventory levels, auction values, and asking values. The largest month-over-month inventory changes were observed among mini excavators, with a 13.6% decrease, and crawler excavators down 6%. Year-over-year, the largest inventory moves were seen in loader backhoes, down 33.8%, and wheeled skid steers, down 23.2%. The top month-over-month auction value changes were in wheel loaders, which fell 3.7%, and crawler excavators, which fell 2.4%. Loader backhoes led in year-over-year auction value changes, rising 4.6%, while crawler excavator auction values fell 4.5%. Loader backhoes also led in month-over-month asking price changes, with a 1% increase. Crawler dozers and mini excavators both experienced a 0.7% increase. Year-over-year, the strongest asking value movements were in crawler excavators, which dropped 5.1%, and wheel loaders, which dropped 3.5%. Overall, inventory declined while auction and asking values increased in April. If you'd like to access the full market reports for Canadian used excavators, wheel loaders, skid steers, loader backhoes, dozers, and off-highway trucks, go to marketbook.ca, click More at the top of the page, then click Get Market Reports. For more detailed analysis, please reach out to Chuck Lewis at chuck-lewis@marketbook.ca. Thank you for watching.